Two of the internet's biggest legal help sites go head-to-head, Avvo versus JustAnswer. When you need answers, which one really delivers? On the left, Avvo, where you can find, research, and rate lawyers for free. And on the right, JustAnswer, promising expert legal answers anytime you need them. Let's skip the legal jargon and get to the real differences. Each category stacks up points, so by the end you'll know exactly which service takes the lead. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Alright, quick pause here. The mind map of what we're comparing today. We've got service type, pricing and value, reputation and reviews, features and usability, and finally, best for. Each category's got its quirks, so stick with me as we break this down. First up, service type. So Avvo is basically your legal yellow pages on steroids. You can scroll through detailed profiles, see peer and client reviews, literally stalk your lawyer before you ever call. Oh, and there's this free public Q&A, which means you can snoop around other people's legal dramas. The attorney rating thing is kinda neat, gives you that credibility vibe, but I mean, some folks say the reviews are always, super reliable. It matches you mostly for consultations, not for quick, direct questions. Now JustAnswer, this one is like you get instant access. You pop in your legal question and boom, you're chatting or emailing an expert. It's 24/7, so those panicked midnight legal woes, they got you. But here's the catch, you don't really get the depth of who your attorney is, and it's definitely more quick advice than some full-on attorney search experience. Winner here, definitely Avvo, just way more comprehensive if you want to compare before you commit. Let's talk money, pricing, and value. Avvo is wild because you can just jump on, browse lawyers, or check out their public Q&A for free. $0. But expect some ads, attorney profiles get a little busy. If you're a lawyer wanting that prime spot, yeah, there's a fee. JustAnswer flips it around, you pay a monthly fee and get unlimited legal questions. It's like a legal Netflix subscription, sounds awesome, right? But here's a little pause, you want to talk actually hiring a lawyer? The pricing gets, well, unclear. There's not really a free option for regular folks unless you rely on their super basic answers. So in value for $1, Avvo sneaks ahead again because come on, it's free for us browsers. Next, reputation and reviews. Now Avvo gets millions of visitors every month. I mean, they're huge, but wow, their BBB rating? That's not a typo. People talk about unreliable reviews and unsatisfying experiences, which makes you want to read those testimonials with a grain of salt. JustAnswer, meanwhile, is all about accessibility. You get those basic, urgent answers anytime, day or night. Some people love it for simple stuff, but reviews are kinda mixed. Quality can be off, and it's not for big, complicated issues. So who's less controversial? JustAnswer nudges past here, honestly, mainly because you sort of know what you're getting, and it's slightly better received for those instant QS. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Avvo actually ranks over 97% of lawyers in the US. Like, if you're ever worried about your lawyer's credibility, Avvo's got a scorecard on them somewhere. Meanwhile, JustAnswer, they'll promise a verified lawyer is replying to you, sometimes in literal minutes. Speedy legal answers, anyone. Features and usability, let's go. Avvo is loaded with handy stuff, sort by specialty, location, even topics. You get those visual tools and detailed lawyer bios. Bonus, lawyers can claim their profiles so you know it's legit. Sometimes, top placement means they paid for it though, so keep that in mind. And vetting actual attorney skill? Yeah, a little challenging. JustAnswer on the flip side is almost frictionless. Throw in your question and start messaging an expert right then. Super easy. That said, there's no deep search, reviews, or anything, you're just tossed an answer that may or may not blow your mind. So while JustAnswer keeps it simple, Avvo just pulls ahead again with all those search and profile perks. Best for, honestly, this is where things get interesting. Avvo is built for the person who wants to research, like deep dive, scope out the lawyer, do a background check, maybe snoop around in the forums. Great if you like feeling in control. JustAnswer, it's perfect for frantic, last-minute worries, not sure if you need a lawyer but just, want someone smart to say, yes, you're okay, or no, go call someone, that's your jam. Neither one is ideal for full-blown representation or long-term planning. So here, total tie, depends on how you want to play your legal search. Just looking at the radar chart, Avvo kinda dominates the big picture categories, service type, pricing, features. JustAnswer pops up in reputation and those instant answers, but overall, Avvo's reach and tools give it a solid lead. If I had to pick, here's the deal. Avvo does the heavy lifting for anyone wanting to research, compare, and totally vet a lawyer before shelling out cash. Honestly, if you want options and info, it's a winner. But if you just need to fire off a quick legal "am I in trouble?" question at 2 a.m., JustAnswer's got your back, no frills, all speed. Neither is a silver bullet, but it all depends how much homework you want to do. Still curious? You could start by browsing free legal answers on Avvo or just chat instantly with a verified pro on JustAnswer. Try 'em both, see which one just feels right for your legal moment.